What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and today I wanted to talk about addiction and how and just if you're and just say that you're not alone in your struggle, whether you're struggling with anxiety or addiction to like sexual things. Just know you're not alone, and I am here for you guys. You can click the link in the description for my new channel on and it's basically to help with fapping, and I really truly want to help you guys through whatever you guys are going through. So if you're struggling with that, click the link in the description. Also, I have a discipleship channel called Teens Really Matter. You can just start scrolling on there, see if you find anything that relates to you. But honestly, I want to serve you guys as best I can. Thank you so much. God bless. Have a great rest of your day, guys.